Welcome to Real Estate 360 with real estate expert Kenn Renner, back again for another month of numbers that we're going to dive into. But you said you got a lot of other stuff to talk about, and I know you're heading out to California.
Yes.
Soon.
Yeah.
Vacation, just going to go to the beach, Hollywood.
No presentations.
Making a movie.
Yeah. Well, making a radio show, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. No, I'm heading out there to really to reconnect with my clan out there, all the people that have bought homes for me and investment properties, and those that are following my podcast that we're doing here. And so, it's been almost 2 years since I was doing presentations out there and getting people interested in the Austin area.
Right.
And so, it was very effective. It was slow at start, but then it started to multiply as people learned to trust me and realized that I was really there to benefit them. And so, of course, when the pandemic hit, that created a whole new dynamic. And so, so the people that did invest and hung in there, they are very happy that they did. And now I'm blessed with all these referrals of friends and relatives. So this trip is not where I do a big dog and pony show, a big real estate investment seminar. This is more where I'm doing intimate one-on-one or one-on-6 in a conference room. Yes, we'll have some mastermind meetings as well, and we're going to talk about the power of the mastermind. So, and there'll be real estate masterminds because everybody gets together and they get their minds together. We learn from everybody else. We get to combine wisdom.
Sure.
So yeah, I think the people that have this is for my closed clients, my current clients, and their invited guests. I'm trying to keep it where it's more intimate than it is just going out and doing big giant presentations.
That way people feel free to ask questions. They challenge you a little bit.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's nice because, a lot of times this was reverse engineered. Normally they would come to a presentation and fly out here and take a tour with me, then buy a property and then close on it. Well, it kind of happened backwards. Now there's people, I've sold many homes, properties to people I've only talked to on the phone.
Right.
So I want to, connect, shake hands. I mean, honestly, some of my clients, thank you very much for buying with me and trusting me, but I might not even recognize them because, we did it all over the phone.
There's something to be said about shaking somebody's hand.
Yeah, and
there really is.
I want to honor them for their faith in what happened here, and believing in what happened. As we were talking about vision earlier today before the show, and that's one thing I was blessed with was being able to see what's coming down the future.
The big buzzword now is over the horizon.
Over the horizon, yeah, that's exactly outside the box, and that's kind of people believe me, got outside the box with me, and they benefited. The appreciation in Austin was something that was it looked like a hockey stick. Right. It was like this, and then boom, we had 50% appreciation. Now it's starting to slow down. We're actually seeing a little bit of pullback, which is healthy. But I'm going to tell you that because of the supply chain issues and because of the massive millennial wave of home buyers that are coming into their 30s and having their childbearing years, they're moving to the suburbs, where most of our people invested. And if they can't buy, they're going to rent, which is great for us landlords. But that whole big millennial movement, along with the supply chain shortage, will drive everything, all prices up, including real estate. That's why real estate is a major hedge against inflation.
Always has been, always will be.
Yes, and so those that have want to diversify their portfolio for not be all stock heavy, that's what I do, is help them build a portfolio of income producing, depreciable properties that help protect their taxes, build a state, and that's what we're going to talk about today.